Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
It's surprisingly common to forget about an old 401(k) when you change jobs, and those valuable retirement savings can just sit there. But locating these accounts doesn't have to be a big mystery. We're here to walk you through some straightforward ways to find your money. It's a smart move to keep all your hard-earned retirement funds organized, ready for your future. Start by contacting the Human Resources or Benefits Department at your former employer. They can usually tell you which company administered their 401(k) plan back when you worked there. Even if the company has changed administrators, they often keep records or can point you in the right direction. This initial step is frequently the quickest way to get the information you need. Once you know who the plan administrator is, like Fidelity or Vanguard, reach out to them directly. If you have any old statements, even years old, those will have crucial account information. Be prepared to provide your full name, social security number, and any addresses you had while contributing to the plan. They can then help you locate your specific account within their system. If direct contact doesn't work, don't worry, there are other avenues. The Department of Labor offers resources for plans considered abandoned or terminated. Also, many states maintain unclaimed property databases where old retirement funds sometimes end up. Services like the National Registry of Unclaimed Property can be helpful. These tools cast a wider net, increasing your chances of finding that forgotten money. Once you've successfully located your old 401(k), you have choices for its future. Many people opt to roll it into an IRA, giving them more control, or move it into their new employer's 401(k) plan for simplicity. Consolidating your accounts can make managing your retirement savings much easier. Always consider speaking with a financial advisor who can help you decide what's best for your unique situation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.